In this video, you'll learn how to delete your OKX account. This process will guide you through the necessary steps to ensure your account is closed properly and securely. Begin by navigating to the OKX website. Open your preferred web browser and enter, quote, okx.com, quote, into the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the homepage of the OKX platform. Next, locate your profile icon, which is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu will display various account options, including settings and security. After that, select the security option from the drop-down menu. This action will take you to a new page dedicated to managing your account's security settings. Here, you will find options related to account protection and management. Once you are on the security page, look for the Manage Account section. Click on this link to access further account management features. This page provides options for modifying your account settings and closing your account. Continue by selecting the Close Account option. This may be located in a list of account management features. Clicking this will lead you to the account closure process where you need to confirm your decision. Next, click on the Close button. This action will initiate the final steps of the account deletion process. You may see a prompt confirmation message indicating that you're about to close your account. Then select the Close Account option again to proceed. This will confirm your intention to delete the account and may require you to acknowledge any consequences of closing your account. Finally, you will be prompted to choose a reason for closing your account. Select an appropriate option from the provided list, then click on the Close Account button to finalize the deletion. After this step, a confirmation message will indicate that your account closure request has been successfully submitted. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.